kind of nice. I mean, this isn't kind of nice, it's real nice. Look at this detail in this. Wow. We're walking by this thing. Got poppers on the doors. The brake light goes all the way through the bottom. Look at this dash. That is neat. This whole truck is neat. This yours? Beautiful. Thanks. Who built it?
It's built 23 or 24 years ago. Some guy was on the cover of Sport Truck magazine.
I think I've seen it before someplace, maybe at a show.
2003 issue.
So much detail that people miss, I know.
Yeah, and it's all metal. There's no fiberglass in there at all.
That is absolutely, and just a lot of thought was put to laying it out. I really love it. So it's a 90
Chevy.
90 Chevy with a Cadillac front end.
Yeah.
Now,
And Cadillac engine.
with a Cadillac engine too. Now, what size Cadillac engine?
It's a North Star.
North Star? Got drop spindles on it. All upgrades on the 4-link in the back.
It's on airbags, but yeah.
Wow, that's a beautiful truck, man.
Yeah, the whole underneath is all custom. Everything. The guy did an awesome job.
And the good thing is, it's timeless. You know, it's absolutely timeless.
Yeah.
It's very rare you see a custom from those days that held up this long.
Right.
It's great. Yeah, put it on my channel tonight.
Oh, okay, cool. Thanks.
A YouTube channel. What's your name?
Toby.
Toby. Randy, glad to meet you, buddy. Good luck with it. This is nice.
Thanks.
It's that time. They're pulling out. They are pulling out. Hold on. You gotta watch the exit. He's just pulling up. These guys are pulling out. Get that Chevy started. T-Bird. It's yours, huh? Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Huh.
Nice.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Nice group here that puts this on.
Nice what?
Nice group of people put this on.
Oh, this.
The family.
Yeah.
This is nice. Was this up in Big Bear?
I go to Big Bear.
With this?
I grew up there as a kid. Yeah, it's been up there a couple times.
Yeah, I was up there last
Actually,
summer.
4 times. I go up every year for the air cooled show. Big
They
Bear
have one up
takeover.
there. Really? I'll have to hit that. I don't have an air cooled car.
That's
but
the biggest Volkswagen meet around.
Really? Out of the loop.
Buses on the piers, the other big one.
I had heard of that one.